U.S. stocks, they were near session highs Thursday afternoon, this time with the Dow Jones bouncing back from its worst one-day drop in nearly 4 weeks, as the latest round of economic data suggested that the Fed's bond buying program would remain intact. Now, first weekly jobless claims unexpectedly rising 10,000 last week to a seasonally adjusted 354,000. And the U.S. economy, that grew at a revised 2.4% annual rate in the first 3 months of the year, falling slightly short of estimates for a 2.5% gain. Also on the economic front, pending home sales ticking higher, 0.3% in April from the previous month, rising to its highest level in 3 years. Meanwhile, with oil prices settling higher in a volatile trading session, lifted by an uptick in gasoline demand as well as a drop in U.S. inventories of the fuel itself ahead of the summer driving season, it looked to be quite the volatile finish for the Dow Jones today. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the big board has closed out the session. The big board on the upside, 21.73 points to settle in at 15,324.53. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of First Solar, which surged to lead the S&P 500 gainers after the solar company was raised to buy from neutral by Goldman Sachs. In another light day in terms of earnings, Costco edging higher after the warehouse club chain posted earnings that edged past expectations due to low prices for food as well as gasoline. Facebook rallied today after BMO upgraded the social networking company to outperform from market perform, and Jefferies lifted its rating on the company to buy from hold. And lastly, Moody's Investor Service that downgraded aluminum giant Alcoa to junk grade, citing weak aluminum prices and tough market conditions.